Hey there, tech-savvy folks. Have you ever dreamed of a world where your floors could magically stay clean without you lifting a finger? Well, dream no more. Because today I'm here to introduce you to the incredible iRobot's Roomba, the next-generation robotic vacuum cleaner that's taking the cleaning game to a whole new level. Meet the iRobot's Roomba, your personal cleaning assistant powered by artificial intelligence. This isn't just any ordinary vacuum cleaner. It's the ultimate combination of technology and convenience, making your life easier in ways you've never imagined. First off, let's talk about its design. The Roomba boasts a sleek and compact body, designed to effortlessly navigate through your home, reaching those hard-to-reach spots that often go unnoticed. Equipped with cutting-edge sensors, this little powerhouse can easily detect various floor types, seamlessly transitioning from carpets to hardwood floors to tiles, ensuring a thorough clean every time. But what about its cleaning capabilities, you ask? Well, the Roomba has got you covered. Thanks to its patented AeroForce cleaning system, this robotic marvel delivers a high-powered suction that picks up dirt, dust, and even pet hair with ease. No more unsightly debris or allergens lingering around your home. And here's the best part. You can enjoy a clean home without sacrificing your precious time. The Roomba's intelligent programming allows you to set a schedule for it to clean while you kick back and relax. Imagine coming home to beautifully clean floors without lifting a finger. It's like having your very own cleaning fairy. Worried about battery life? Don't be. The Roomba takes care of that too. When it's done with its cleaning duties or when the battery starts running low, it cleverly navigates itself back to its charging dock, ready for the next cleaning session. Now that's what I call smart. Oh, and did I mention that you can control the Roomba right from your smartphone? Whether you're at work or on vacation, simply open the iRobot Home app, and with a few taps, you can start, stop, or schedule cleanings from anywhere in the world. It's like having a cleaning genie at your fingertips. So folks, if you're tired of spending countless hours on back-breaking cleaning tasks, it's time to let the iRobot's Roomba take over. Sit back, relax, and let this intelligent cleaning assistant do all the work for you. Say goodbye to dirt and hello to a cleaner, happier home.